We spent hours trying to compile some of the most beautiful tech products that you can own. We have a lamp that's also a speaker. We have a body scale that measures your fat percentage and much, much more. So here's the 30 tech products that will make your life easier. Those who watch the video till the end can take part in our giveaway and win one of the cool gadgets of this video. Follow the instructions and test your luck. First, you need to find all our Techie World logos in the videos and write down in one comment the exact time every logo appears. You can see the example on the screen. The rest will be announced at the end of the video. Number 30, Heng Balance Light. We really like the futuristic design of this modern lamp and the minimalistic look with the special hangers in the middle make this lamp a must-have. You can turn it on by touching the two spheres together. The neodymium magnets make the magnetic field which conducts electricity, therefore lighting the lamp. Number 29, Pop the Top. This is a beer bottle opener that's unlike any other you've seen in your life. Instead of flicking your wrist, you just place this cylindrical bottle opener on top of any beer bottle, you push down and the cap comes right off. If you're in a hurry and need to open many bottles at once, like at a party, then this will not only help you do that, but it will also leave everyone's mouth hanging wide open. Number 28, Joseph Anti-Slip Tray. Have you ever tried to carry a tray of drinks, slipped on a kid's toy, and spilled everything on the tray? Well, this is precisely why Joseph has made the anti-slip tray. It holds the glasses in place, which means the chances of you slipping the glasses goes down significantly. Number 27, Stow-N-Go. It's like unpacking without unpacking. You pack your bag and when you get into your hotel room, just hang it in your closet. All your clothes will be separated and organized. Number 26, Mopnado. For people who want to be done with mopping quickly, we present the Mopnado. Just plop the mop in the water and place it on the spinner. Push the handle and all the excess water comes out in an instant. No need to touch that dirty water with your hands. Number 25, Smarter Fridge Cam. This fridge cam has been created with one purpose in mind: lower the amount of food you throw out. You just put the camera on the side of the door and connect it to your phone. Every time some food has been forgotten in the fridge, it will send a notification to your phone. Number 24, Beard Bib. One of the things we hate about beard trimming is that there's always a pile of hair in the bathroom sink. Not anymore. You just tie one end to your neck and smack the suction cups on the mirror and you're done trimming your beard. Just wrap everything up and shake it in the trash can. That's it. Number 23, the Sock Dock. Are you frustrated when you only get one of your socks from the washing machine? So are we. That's why we love the Sock Dock. Place each pair of socks, tie them up, and pop them in the washing machine. The string will hold them all together and once they're out, you can hand them immediately and dry them. Number 22, BioLite. This burner turns fire into electricity. We won't bore you with the details about how it works, we just tell you that it does. Once the fire is lit, you can charge any appliance on this fire battery as it generates 3 watts of power. Number 21, Squat-N-Go. This is the contraption that helps you have a healthier bowel movement. Since the human body was never designed to poop sitting down, this stool will allow you to simulate the squatting position sitting down. Number 20, Spiralize-It. If you want to turn vegetables into noodles for all your delicious no-carb ketogenic diets, then this is a must-have. Number 19, Gigabyte Pockit Stroller. This is the stroller that you can fit inside your backpack. The design is so compact that it's just one push and the stroller turns into a cube where you can fit it anywhere. Number 18, Tile Essentials. If you're like us, then losing the remote is an everyday thing. But not anymore. Just slap a Tile Bluetooth tracker connected to your phone and when you lose it, the device will beep so you can find it easily. Number 17, Aura Glass. Wine is such a hassle to clean, and that's why we present you with the Aura Glass. The specific design makes the glass harder to knock over. No more red wine stains. Number 16, SurePlunge. If your toilet gets clogged more than you'd like to admit, the SurePlunge will help you get rid of it in an instant. Just look at how much pressure this plunge generates. Crazy! Number 15, the outlet for Perfectionists. This is one of the things that perfectionists will fall in love with. Each side of the pop-up cube has a socket, and when not in use, just plug it back into the wall. Number 14, JBL Clip. You can clip it to your jeans, your backpack, and even the bathroom door hanger. It's water resistant and just makes it perfect for camping. No more boring shower time. Number 13, LiquiGlide. When you want to get every single ounce of paint from the bucket, or just the last drop of ranch from your squeeze bottle, then this spray will make everything slide right on out. Number 12, Zip and Store. The underside of your fridge shelves have never utilized to their fullest. With the Zip and Store, we'll have your Ziploc bag leftovers on display, which means no waste. Number 11, the all-in-one air pump. Now this is just perfect to have in your garage. It's an air pump for bikes, cars, and motorbikes. Plus it acts as a phone charger and a flashlight. Just perfect. Number 10, Hickies. If you're tired of spending too much time trying to tie your shoes, why not get a Hickey? No, not that kind of Hickey. We're talking about the silicone shoelaces that you can tie on every shoe and forget about them. Number 9, Wallet Ninja. It's a screwdriver, a bottle opener, a can opener, a peeler, a ruler, a nail puller, hey, that rhymes, a box opener, and a freaking cell phone stand. Number 8, WyzeSense Starter Kit. It includes a Bluetooth camera, Bluetooth door sensors, and a Bluetooth motion sensor. You will know everything that goes on your house with a notification. Number 7, Bionic Grip. This tool is a must-have for any handyman. Once you get this, you will toss out all of your wrenches and use the Bionic Grip for life. Number 6, SnapJack Table. Do you like minimalistic design? Do you have a small apartment? Presenting the SnapJack Table. It's a table and 4 chairs that you can mount on a wall with ease. Number 5, Sengled LED speaker bulb. Bluetooth controlled light bulbs that change color are one thing, but this Sengled speaker bulb is another. You heard that right, it's a light bulb with a speaker built inside. Number 4, Native Union Night Cable. This charging cable is braided, durable, and it has a weighted ball so you can move it up and down so you won't need to hold it with a hook. Number 3, Eufy Body Scale. Use this scale to measure your weight, body fat, bone mass, BMI, and muscle mass. Plus it connects to your favorite health apps, so tracking everything is a breeze. Number 2, the Moft X. This gadget snaps on the back of your phone and acts as a credit card holder, a phone stand, and a phone holder. Oh, and everything's foldable for a minimalistic design. Number 1, Yescom Light Kit. When Yescom designed these lights, they had one thing in mind, allowing you to light your room the way you want to. Put it on your desk or your wall and change the light patterns from your phone. It's that simple. As you watch this video to the end, you will definitely want to take part in our giveaway and win one of the gadgets covered in this video. Subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment with the exact time every Techie World logo shows up in this video. If you haven't found them, watch the video one more time. We will announce the winner in the subsequent videos, so make sure to turn on the notification bell so that you can track if you have won. And on that note, we end this video. But hey, which of these gadgets made it to your wish list? If you'd like more videos like these, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of them. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.